What's going on, traders? Today we're going to talk about silver and how I made $1,000 today on my first day on the live simulated account. You guys, live funded account, whatever you call it. I wanted to talk about where I shorted and why I shorted you guys. My first short, I took two trades, you guys. They counted as all these trades, and honestly, if it wasn't for slippage, then I wouldn't have this loss right here, 250. So, profitable trades 1,300, losing trades is 250. So gross P&L is $1,050. Let's full screen size this. 72% win rate, you guys. They counted as a bunch of trades, you guys, but I counted as two trades just because I'm adding and taking off. I'm adding and taking off up to 6 contracts per trade. $1,050 minus the commissions. We're taking home $1,014.80. You guys on our first day. This is good because you really want to start your first day in the green, you guys, so you could have some type of cushion with the prop firms. Now, first trade I took, you guys, was right here. Right here when it failed. Right here, actually, when it failed to make a new high. And then because this broke out, and then on the second candle, it kind of made a new high, but it failed to make a new high, right? It has like equal highs, and as soon as that happened, I shorted, and then I was covering down here. I was shorting around 98.80, 98.84, 98.83, and I was covering around the 60s, the 50s, 47s, I believe. I locked in around $500 on that one, and then when it broke out again right here, and on this one, you guys, it did the same thing. It failed to make a new high. I started shorting right here, started adding right here, and then collapsed right here on this candle. You guys can see, and I locked in another $500 on this candle. $550. It was 1,050 altogether minus the commissions. First day, you guys shorting silver. Why I shorted it, you guys? I was just trading the two try failure, you guys, the breakout failure, and just covering, basically scalping right at the support area. So not too tough of a trade, you guys. Silver been great to me. That's 6 green days in a row. The other 5 days were passing the evaluation, and this is my first live funded on the prop firm, you guys. Shorting silver sounds crazy. Sounds like you're playing with fire, but like I've said before, I've been doing this for almost 11 years, you guys, and a chart is a chart. If you know how to read charts, supply and demand, it's not. Today I read a Facebook post. Somebody post trading gets stressful. And I thought about it, and I was like, trading is stressful only if you make it stressful. This past like couple years, actually, I've just been setting my alerts, even on my stock account in the daytime, and letting them work, you guys. And I don't just try to play and day trade every pattern now. I set my alerts and I wait, and it's hard. The hardest thing, the stressful part, honestly, is waiting. So I'm doing so much stuff in between trading, you guys, just to stay busy so I don't take a trade, which I advise. Set your alerts, and when they go off, try it. Every single alert that I've been setting, and then it finally sets up. Like today, this morning, I told my fiance, okay, my alert didn't go off, no trade set up. I thought I wasn't gonna trade today. She said tomorrow. I said, yeah, maybe tonight, because in the futures world today, like counts as tomorrow almost. So first day, you guys, not bad. $1,050. I think they put us on the here. Yeah, basically $1,014 minimum days with Lucid trading. This is Lucid trading, you guys. It's $200 minimum profit. You gotta have, I believe, 5 days to get a payout. At least 5 days of at least $200. Um, let's see. Yep, 1014 and 1014 on the calendar. I just didn't like, you guys, how the only thing I like, but I'm not gonna blame nobody. It's probably my fault on the slippage right here. This shouldn't really be there, but maybe the market was like moving around like crazy and I accidentally slipped out. Let's make this big so we can see that. Yeah, she takes 3 losing trades supposedly, and then 11 and 8 basically. So 8 winning trades, 3 losing trades. But I think this is slippage because I didn't cover it to lose, but maybe I was covering and I got slippage out of it. So you guys always gotta think about slippage. Factor in slippage because it's real. It's not fake. It's like it happens to me all the time, but it's okay. We still came out ahead, you guys. Like I said, this is Lucid trading platform, you guys. So far, I have not had a problem with them. They've been great. The Tradeovate thing is great. And they, as soon as I passed the account, it's like they had a button upgrade to funded, and my account was ready. I signed a few papers to the email, and then my account was ready in like 5 minutes, you guys. And I didn't take a trade. I waited all day till today, and I took these trades, you guys. Locked in $1,050 minus commissions, $1,014, you guys. Any questions? Leave in the comments, you guys. Smash that like, and do not forget, plan the trade, trade the plan.